Hi everybody. In this video you will see how to register for CBSE online training programs. So for that first you take Chrome, type CBSE website, open the site. Clicks CBSE website. In that there is you will find the training capacity building program. So it's downloading only. Wait for it. Yeah. So this is the portal for capacity building training programs. Click that one and you will find the interface like this. Click here to register for online sessions. Click that one. Here it is given how to register for you. The steps for attending the training programs. First you have to select schedule and venue, then register, payment, confirmation, attend training, then certification and feedback. After completing this only, these are the procedure for the training program. So here you have to first click here to register for online sessions. Select that one, and in this you can find a lot of the date, time and topic, the source person, the host of Center of Excellence who is hosting it. Fees is 100 rupees, you have to pay online. And you can see the registration column where some seats are full and some are there in blue register. So only those you can select. Suppose you want to do adolescent education, adolescent in present scenario, social and emotional characteristics. So for the just for a trial I'm just doing that one to show you all. Register. The page is loading. Here you will have two interface. Either you have to log in for school affiliated with CBSE or new registration for individual. Then you have login for existing individual participants. If you do for new registration for individual participation, first you have to register for it, and then when you do for any other online program of CBSE, you have to log in through existing individual participation. Okay, so first you have to register. For that you have to give all the details like participants name, details, address, city, all those details you have to give, and then the school affiliation number and all those things have to be given, whether you are teaching in secondary or senior secondary or below secondary. Then you have to create your own ID. This is the permanent ID for you have to, whenever you attend a program, you can log in through this that you are going to register. Okay, you give submit, and then they'll give a confirmation mail saying that your user ID and password. So as I have done it earlier, I have already done it, and so I don't have to go for this. I will select for the other one, which is called, which I have registered with my number. Suppose you have already registered with the after registration, you can register in your present the ID that you have registered. Using login for existing individual participants. If you go for the school and all, no, I don't know whether the school office people can do it for you, but this is for us. We can do by ourselves. Login for existing individual participants. Click that one after registration and add your the registered user ID which they have sent as confirmation in your mail. Yes. Okay. So login. So they have given us the confirmation date. I have selected this one. So they have given, and this interface you can proceed for payment for online payment. This is how we have to register. They will send us a mail confirming the list. Thank you.